Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. A big news has been arrived for the Galaxy S21 5G base model. We have got the first ever look of the Galaxy S21 5G courtesy to a CAD render images and videos has been surfaced online. If you look at the render images and videos, it shows the front design of the device is same as the Galaxy S20 series, and the thing which is noticeable will be the front where we have seen the flat display, a punch-hole camera cutout and have a slim bezels around the edges and a small chin on the bottom. The front design is probably didn't get any improvement yet in terms of design, but the flat display is going to be a great choice which Samsung is going to be implemented, because I personally believe that flat displays has a more better experience than the curved edges, because curved edges don't have any purpose, they are just for the aesthetic. But anyhow, what is more interesting is going to be it's on the back side where we see a new and unique camera bump that curves over the metal frame. Samsung has removed the boring all-black camera's bump and replaced it with a new camera bump that matches the colors of the phone. Each individual color is highlighted inside the area, and much like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. There is going to be a triple camera sensors on the back side with a no extra camera sensor that has included in the upcoming S21 series. But another thing which is more interesting is going to be its LED flashlight positioning, and normally we see the LED flashlight present on the camera bump as well, but this time around the S21 render images showcase that LED flashlight will be going to be available on the body instead on the camera bump. So that is going to be an interesting thing which is going to be moving forward, and Samsung will give us an explanation why they have done this in their upcoming January event. Anyhow, according to the render images, you will notice that there is going to be a speaker grill on the bottom of the device, and it is coming with a noise cancellation mic and a USB Type-C port as well. Sitting on the right side, we will have a usual power button and volume rocker button on the right side. Other specs include, based on leaks, will be a new and improved 5nm Snapdragon 875 chipset inside the device, which will be available in the US and some other markets, while the Exynos 2100 will be available all around the world. As a part of the battery capacity, well, we have a 4000 mAh of a battery capacity with a charging support of 25 watt according to a new report. As far as the launch date is concerned, well, a report suggests that the Galaxy S21 series will be launching in January next year, which is a month earlier than the usual launch date that was in February. It will allow Samsung to start shipping the smartphone in February and ultimately take the advantage of lack of competition from Huawei. So guys, I am pretty impressed about the first look of the device. It's going to be a new design on the back side, and I think that the camera sensors are going to be an improved one, and we will see a new software updates will improve the camera performance as well. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S21 base model? If you want to hear more news about the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, do consider subscribing my channel to keep yourself updated regarding the Galaxy S21 series. Also, keep in note that while you're subscribing, do press the bell notification icon so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.